out on my wrist, counted and spin it. Mad at the coupe, mine with no tenant. Chop out the top, hit it the limit.
What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to my channel. It's Nigel Reacts in this bitch. You feel me? And today I'm coming back with y'all with another monkey video. What's in my hair? I know y'all probably gonna ask me what's in my hair if y'all see this. This is a twist that I twisted, and I just did my hair this morning. So basically, I still got Cantu stuff in my hair. So yeah, don't judge me. I don't want dry ass hair. So yeah, I got another monkey video. It's gonna be the monkey rate me 1 through 10. And yeah, that's basically what we're doing. What else? So yeah, let's get into it. You feel me? We're screen recording. 3, 2, 1. Hey. I'm gonna turn it this way. No. This way. What's up?
When you want to waste my time, you keep texting me with my nails say no, I
Hey, add Tom.
say I like it. Hurry up.
Hey, what's up?
What's good?
Hey, y'all my YouTube video. I need y'all to rate me 1 through 10.
Radio?
Yeah.
Like 8.
Alright, thank you.
7.
Okay, I'll take that too. She go down. Shit, low key kind of hurt. Nah, y'all know what the fuck I'm talking about. Keep the numbers. Monkey off the shits. Alright, let's get into the motherfucking video. I'm trying to make this shit lit for y'all. Alright. Okay, I like looking at your finger, but what's up?
What's that?
Hey, you in my YouTube video. Rate me 1 through 10.
9.5.
Why the fuck you lying? Why you always lying? Oh my god, stop your fucking lying.
The fuck? You thought it was fake?
Yeah.
Oh! I remember her! Oh, I remember her! She was throwing that ass. You dig me? What's up?
What's up?
Hey, y'all in my YouTube video. Rate me 1 through 10.
Bro?
Yeah. Yeah.
Hi.
Yes, Nigel Reacts is right here.
I tried. You on YouTube.
Yeah.
Oh my god, he is legit. Alright, I got So, what type of video are you doing?
Rate me 1 through 10.
Well, okay,
Thank you.
yeah.
Thank you. Y'all hundreds in my book.
Huh?
I said y'all 100s in my book.
Thank you.
Yeah. I'm 16, but that be on here. Fuck. Hey, what's up? Oh, oh my god, when she opened her mouth, bro, that shit was funny. Hey, what's up?
What's up?
You in my YouTube video. I need you to rate me 1 through 10.
You was 7.
Alright, thank you. You did me. Hey, what's up?
Hey.
You in my YouTube video. I need you to rate me 1 through 10.
You
Hey, you playing my song. But I said you was playing my song, and this is my YouTube, just in case you think I'm fake. Yeah, alright.
You an 8.
Alright, thank you.
You
I don't know why I'm reporting them. I just do that just to get off the fucking. I don't know. What's up?
What's up, my dude?
Hey, y'all in my YouTube video. Rate me 1 through 10. What the f? Okay. You know what, bro? Don't have time for this shit. Every day with these punk ass pieces of shit sometimes. I don't know. Hey, girl. I didn't know what to say. I didn't know if it was a girl or not either. Just said, hey, girl. Woo, if that was a dude, my fault. You'd be alright. I didn't know what gender you was. Don't want to know either. What's up?
What's up?
Hey, you in my YouTube video. I need you to rate me 1 through 10.
Oh.
This bitch really. What's up?
Hello.
You play a sport?
No.
Oh. Whoa, why your eyebrows like that? Oh shit, why her eyebrows like that? Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Them mad thing. What's up?
Hi.
What you up to?
Nothing.
Alright, your phone about to fall, and you on my YouTube video. I need you to rate me 1 through 10.
2.
Alright, thank you, bitch. You ugly too. What's up? Hey, you on my YouTube video. I need you to rate me 1 to 10.
A 10.
Hey, you 11. She, that bitch was cute. She not a bitch. Okay, listen, ladies. In some boys, but in my book, if I call you a bitch, you're not a bitch, okay? It's just how I talk. I'm not calling y'all bitches. I'm not full out here calling y'all bitch. Like you a bitch, you feel me? I'm not doing that, alright? So don't be in my comments talking about some shit like, why you calling them bitches? I'm not like really out here calling y'all bitches. It's like the way niggas talk, you feel me? So yeah, but she was cute. You dig me? I done missed out on like 4 girls talking to y'all. Fuck. What's up? Huh? You might double click me, it's popping up. Fuck! Get your trash ass Android. Fuck. Android users. Hey, Taylor. She from Houston. Hey, Taylor. What's up with you? Hey, you in my YouTube video. I need you to rate me 1 through 10. Alright. Thank you. She was cute too. Wish you would have had me as a friend. I ain't tripping. Oh shit. You can do this? Hey, what's up, y'all? Hey, y'all in my YouTube video. Huh?
Yeah, they just added it in the update, bro.
My nigga sound black. I know you can do that shit. That shit crazy. I like that shit. That shit real. So I got like 2. You feel me? Hey, what's up?
This is my cousin.
Y'all in my YouTube video.
What?
Y'all in my YouTube video.
YouTube video?
Kids. Since what's up? Hey, you in my YouTube video. I need you to rate me 1 to 10.
So you like 9? You a 9.
Why the fuck you lying? Why you always lying? Oh my god, stop your fucking lying.
Hey, you a 10. Okay, she sounds like somebody's mama. Okay, I like beating moms. What's up?
What's up?
What you up to?
Nothing.
Hey, you in my YouTube video. I need you to rate me 1 through 10.
7.5.
Hey, you a 10.5. What the fuck? A 10.5? Damn. I just said some shit. I ain't even see her face. Give me compliments. What's up? Hey, y'all my YouTube videos. Hey. Hey, y'all my YouTube videos. Y'all my YouTube videos. Y'all in my YouTube videos. Yeah. Yo, you're a clown, bro. You was a clown. Dude. Reacts. Alright. Eating it. Damn. That motherfuckers is clowns, bro. That shit was funny as hell. That's fucking bomb. Hey, she look thick. I ain't gonna say that. Let me not say that. Yeah. Hey, what's up?
I got a question for you.
I got a question for you too, but go ahead.
Would you go out with me?
Huh?
Would you date me?
Huh? What? With that gap? Oh! I ain't saying ain't nothing wrong with girls that got gaps, but what's up?
Oh my gosh, you need a haircut.
Please like and subscribe to my channel, join the gang, and yeah, it's gonna be a positive year for us. It's Nigel Reaction. I'm out. Bitch.